in today's video I'm gonna show you this Kotex ultra thin pad. So this is comfort and clean up to 100% they have written, and it has super wings that drops. They have shown how absorbed it will be, and it contains 8 pads inside it, so it's good to go. You can carry it wherever you want. You can put it in your purse, and it's very nice way of, you don't need to carry the big ones. So these are the small comfortable pads packaging. So it's fast absorption cover and designed for maximum comfort and clean feeling and new uplifting design. So that is really good, and it costed me around $2.2. So let's not waste much time and open this and see how it looks like. Just a second, guys. Yes. So here you go. So these are the super wings. So in total, one is left inside. Total 8 are there. I'm gonna open one and show how it is. So this is how the pad looks like from inside. You just need to tear this one and put it in your panty, this portion at the back, and then you're good to go. It will last long, and this is very soft and light in weight. I can't even feel the weight of it. It's very light and very good, and I've earlier used it. It's very nice. So go and try these. Very nice. Thanks for watching my video.